Kia ora koutou. Hi, my name is Regan.
And moa today, Winton School, I'm Jackson. Welcome to a huge day of N.E.W.S news for Ra'apa, the 21st of May.
We start today with Senior Kapa Haka news. Whakarongo mai. All Senior Kapa Haka students, please meet Miss Carran in room 10 and morning tea. Kia ora.
All lip sync competitors, listen up. There's a meeting in the hall at lunchtime at 12:40. That's all competitors from all houses at 12:40 in the hall. Thank you.
Now for some Tec'y team news. There's a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
This term, every day is Library Day. Open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns, apart from Friday due to cross country.
Librarians today are Geena and Abigail. Thank you, ladies.
Speaking of cross country, a few notices for Friday. Cookers will be on sale at playtime on Friday because the Year 8s will be away at cross country.
Buy them at playtime instead of lunchtime, and the big news.
Because the buses leave at 12:30, all senior and middle students will have to skip sausage sizzle and bring your lunch on Friday.
That's no sausages on Friday, sorry, for the senior and middle schools, unless cross country is postponed.
Okay, hockey news. No practice for the Wizards this week. Next practice is on Monday, thanks.
But Winton Wipeouts do have a hockey practice today at 12:45 on the basketball court. Thank you.
High vis vests. You should be wearing them to and from school. Do it.
Spelling news. Can the South Spell team members please meet Miss Mines in the group room at 1:10? Thank you.
The Year 7 and 8 team of Millie May, Harry, AJ, Taylor and Sophie.
And the Year 5 and 6 team of Veer, Holly, Richard, Emma and Hannah. Thank you.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, time to use your tarangas. Junior Kapa Haka, you are taking a 2-week break due to the lip syncing competition.
That means no Junior Kapa Haka for 2 weeks. Thank you. Stay tuned though. We will let you know when you're back on.
No birthdays today at Winton School.
But only 7 days to go for someone.
Could the school council have a quick meeting with Mr. Wadsworth in the hall at playtime, thanks?
Last news for today. MBG's 120. You know who, you know where.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a pōpō.
Haere rā, Winton School.